Hello everybody, my name is Christopher Kawali from DBTL EDICT 21 and this is my demo teaching.
Okay. Good morning, class. How are you today? Okay. I'm glad to hear that all of you are doing well. But before we start our class, anyone who wants to lead for the opening prayer? Thank you for leading the prayer. Now let me check your class attendance. Please say presence if I call your name. Good. All of you are here. Now, before I discuss our topic today, we're gonna have an activity to allow all of you to have an idea what our topic for this day. Please solve the puzzle that has sent to you. Thank you for the cooperation of each of you. Now let's proceed to our main topic. And our topic for today is proper use of tools in computer device. Proper use of tools is when you're using tools properly. These are the guides to avoid possible accidents. That helps to prevent accidents, to prevent damage to equipment and people. Each tool be examined before use, and damaged or defective tools is not to be used. That's why we're having categories of tools, which is a diagnostic tools. All tools be kept in a good condition with regular maintenance. 4 categories of hardware tools in computer device. Anyone who knows the 4 categories? Yes? ESD tools, cleaning tools, what else? Hand tools and diagnostic tools. Very good. For categories of hardware tools, every job there is a right tool to be used, because there is a single tool that are familiar and well follow the guidelines can ensure the less difficult time and perform safely. Okay? The first category of our hardware tools in computer device is electrostatic discharge tools. Electrostatic discharge or ESD tool is used to discharge the electrostatic in the computer components when you're performing assemble and disassemble of system unit. Because even the computer is shut down, it is not 100% sure that it is discharged already. There are still static left in every component. So to ensure the safetyness of our equipments and people, we're gonna have to use anti-static wrist straps. Protects computer equipment when grounded to a computer chassis. The second one is anti-static mat. Protects computer equipment by preventing static electricity from accumulating on the hardware and the technician. It is used for every sensitive components of computer will be safe, because you can place it to table or in the floor unless there is anti-static mat. Next is common hand tools that is used in parts of the computer and peripherals. It is necessarily used when assembling and disassembling computer or troubleshooting the computer. Flathead and Phillips head screwdriver. It is used to tighten or loosen slotted screws. We are very familiar in these tools because we can see it in our indoor or outdoor in our home. Next is crimping tools used to attach connectors and wires. Used to land cables and wires, especially in RJ45. Tweezers used to manipulate small parts. To avoid losing any small parts of components of computer or any screws. Next is wire cutters, needle nose pliers. Wire cutters used to strip and cut wires. Needle nose pliers is used to hold small parts. Cleaning tools. Why it is important to the computer device to keep clean? Because having the appropriate cleaning tools is essential when maintaining and repairing computers. Using the appropriate cleaning tools helps to ensure that computer components are not damaged during cleaning. Because one of the problem of computer that is not working properly is because of the dirt that attached to the each components of computer. Now, soft cloth is one of the example to cleaning the tools. It is used to clean different components of computer without scratching or leaving debris. Compressed air used to blow away dust and debris from different computer parts without touching the components. If you don't have a compressed air, you can use paintbrush to blow away the dust, but we need to clean it very carefully because you can damage the components when touching it. These two kinds of cleaning tools that helps to be organized in cables and tires or small parts of components. To avoid losing small parts, we need a container like parts organizer that used to hold screws, jumpers, fasteners, and other small parts and prevents them from getting mixed together. Second one is cable ties. Used to bundle cables neatly inside and outside of a computer. Okay, the last one is diagnostic tools. These tools are used to test and diagnose equipment. Used to check the components of computer are still working properly and to determine the problem and make a solution. Number one diagnostic tools is digital multimeter. It's a device that can take many types of measurements. It tests the integrity of circuits and the quality of electricity in computer components. A digital multimeter displays the information on an LCD or LED. Second one is loopback adapter or loopback plug. Test the basic functionality of computer ports. The adapter is specific to the port that you test. And the last one is the tone probe. A tool to determine the LAN cables like RJ45 are working properly in every wires that are connected. It is a two-part tool. It's connected to a cable and using a specific adapters such as an RJ45, coaxial, or metal clips. It generates tone that travels the length of the cable. Traces the cable when the probe is in near proximity to the cable which is the toner is attached. The tone can be heard through a speaker in the probe. Okay, that's all for today. I hope that we can take a knowledge. Thank you.